We just arrived at the Celebrity Terminal, and we can look across this little bay here, and there's the ship that we just got off.
Here we go.
They were ready for us. Here is our situation this morning. We disembarked the Harmony of the Seas at approximately what time this morning?
About 7:30.
About 7:30 this morning.
You have to be off the ship. You have to be out of your room by 8 and off the ship by 9.
Okay.
And we walked off with our luggage. So
We did.
We had to be off the ship by 7:40.
Right. And they give you a span of time.
And they leave directions in your room.
Right, the directions are in your room. We are going to be getting on the Celebrity Apex,
Yes.
and we can't get there until around 11.
Right.
So the question for us was, what do we do in the meantime? Where we need to get is from here over to that dock over in that section there. And
It's
so
really not far.
it's not that
So
far.
close and yet so far.
Right. We have
Because you can't walk between terminals.
Right.
It's too far apart.
we found a couple benches here at the Harmony of the Seas terminal, and we've been parked here for about 2 hours.
Yeah, it hasn't been bad.
No, the time has gone by very fast, and it's lots of people to watch.
Yeah, we really were debating what to do.
Right.
You know, we could have taken an Uber and got something to eat in Fort Lauderdale, but we have all of our luggage. We'd be walking into a diner or something with all of our suitcases, which is awkward. So we just opted to sit here for a while.
And that's what we're doing. So next you hear from us, we should be hopefully over Celebrity Terminal. So we just arrived at the Celebrity Terminal, and we can look across this little bay here, and there's the ship that we just got off.
We just took a taxi right from there to here. It cost us $10. It's fine.
Yeah.
There's no way to walk over. There's no shuttle. So it was easy peasy, and it's much more laid back and relaxed over here. I mean, people aren't boarding yet. I don't know
Right.
what they're going to do, but we're happy to be here. I was surprised they took our luggage because it's 10:15, but here we go.
They were ready for us.
Now we're early, so we have to wait to get on board the ship, so we're sitting. And they sat us, you know, in a place waiting to board, but it's much quieter and laid back. So there's 2,900 passengers that would be capacity on this ship compared to Harmony, which was around 6,000, which
Yeah.
we love. Like, we don't mind it, but it's a very different feel so
Yeah.
far.
Even the benches we're sitting on.
Yeah. Even the bathroom I just went to.
They have an IKEA feel about it, but I don't know if that's right.
So we'll keep you posted.
Yeah.
Sitting on the Apex.
So now we start to explore.
And by the way, it's 11 a.m.
Wow, that was fast.
Wow. We're going in. beautiful. Wow. This is our first time in the celebrity room. And we have the infinite balcony, which we'll show you later. It's a whole separate experience. But wow, this is beautiful. Okay, we're on the ship. We don't know anything because we've never been on a celebrity ship, so it's taken us a little bit to get a little bit acclimated. We went and had something to eat. We didn't show that. We'll show you what the area looked like where we ate, but we're not showing you what we ate because we were taking it all in. Because the first time you're on a ship, it's overwhelming. So we're just learning the ship. So we're sitting here right now, we're listening to this wonderful singer, and we're just gonna relax for a minute and have a drink. Mark got this wonderful drink, and we're just gonna sit here for a little while, and then you'll learn with us as we go on this beautiful Celebrity Apex. We're at the rooftop bar on the Celebrity Apex, getting ready to sail away in about 15 or 20 minutes. And this is just grand. We're just sitting here enjoying the outside and enjoying a drink, enjoying each other's company, and just getting ready to sail away. So we'll be back out here.
Yes.
Okay, we made it to dinner. We had a good day. We went to the sun deck and watched it as we sailed away, and we went back to the room. We relaxed a little bit. We unpacked and showered, and now we're at dinner. Celebrity Cruise Line, for their main dining room on the Apex, they have 4 different dining rooms that you can choose from, and we can rotate through them on a whole cruise. So tonight we're in Normandy and looking forward to having a really nice dinner. And they just delivered some bread to us that looks yummy. And then we got some water and we're gonna order some cocktails. I don't know what we're gonna eat yet, but the menu looks yummy. Each of the restaurants on board that are part of the main dining all have the same classic menu. So no matter which one you go to, you're going to get the same choices, but then on top of that, each restaurant has their own specialties as well. So that's kind of nice if you want to order from the specialty menu. So we'll let you know how food is, but this ship, I have no words. This ship is incredible, and we are the tip of the iceberg. We're just trying to find our way around and figure stuff out. But it's a beautiful, beautiful ship, the Celebrity Apex. It's gorgeous. Right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, like we don't even know where we're going half the time, and they gave us this bread with these 3 different butters, and then that was a dipping sauce of some type that she talked about, and I don't even know. That goes with the bread, and so we're gonna dig in. So I'm having the Caesar salad. I cut it up already. I like my salad cut. Mark and I are going to share this escargot. We'll see how we like it. We have a nice Pinot Noir, Kendall Jackson, and Mark got a wedge salad. So it all looks really yummy. Let's see how the escargot is. Escargot is we only eat this on cruise ships. It's not something I get at home. Very good.
Right.
It's temperature hot, but it's very good. So we got our main entree. For dinner, I got a New York strip steak. Looks delicious. It looks like it has some sort of a garlic butter on top with some mashed potatoes and a broccoli. It's a small portion, admittedly, but I don't need a lot more, quite frankly. And Mark looks like he got a pasta rigatoni. He doesn't remember the name of it.
Pasta rigatoni,
And it looks delicious, actually.
Yeah.
I would like a little more mashed potatoes. I think it's a little skimpy on the mashed potatoes, but I like mashed potatoes. But honestly, I am blown away by this buffet, the Ocean View Cafe.
Right.
I have no words. like you and I just went and we had this ice cream gelato, and there's a lot to choose from. It's all included. And I was walking by to go get napkins for us, and I walked by the chocolate fondue fountain with all the things that you would dip in it: marshmallow, bananas, fruit, a pound cake. And of course I had to get some and bring it over. I don't have the words to say anything about this, about the food on board the Celebrity ship.
There's so many choices.
Like we're coming up here for dessert every day. I could eat my main dining in here every night and be happy as a clam.
Yeah.
You know? Like
Yeah.
I just don't even know what to say. But Eden's right over here, so we're gonna go check it out. Out in here, maybe a show is gonna start, it looks like. Look at the chairs. Looks like lily pads or something. It is kind of like you walked into the Garden of Eden. I bet this is pretty during the day too. It's probably all like
Yeah.
lit up. All the natural sunlight comes in. So it's like a venue. There's a bar. Everybody can sit here and talk. It looks like there's going to be a show. This is really great in here. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, it's very different.
Beautiful.
Yeah. There's lots of different pockets, lots of different little areas on this ship, I find, that you can go. Like where we were just eating, or the martini bar, or the other bar. Like, there's just like different pockets where crowds can disperse
Right.
around the ship.
Right.
So we found raw on 5, so all the things must be
Raw.
sushi raw. We're making sushi like right there. It's very cool. So what's nice about Celebrity is they take care of your room twice a day, which I really like. Some cruise lines have cut that out, but Celebrity still does it twice a day. Some do it once, but Celebrity does it twice. So we come in at night and our bed is turned down, which is so nice. Our pillows are fixed nicely. And on our bed is, I don't know, they're giving away a charm or something like that. I have to look at it. They're giving away this necklace and then you can buy charms for it. I'll check that out. And then they left us beach towels for tomorrow because we're going to Key West. Now we happen not to be going to the beach or anything like that, but like beach day essentials because we're going to be somewhere tomorrow where we might need them. Just left right on our bed. That's so nice. And then a Celebrity Cruise
Oh, like a beach bag.
beach bag. Well, that's nice.
Look at that.
That's nice. It's small, but like I'll use this at home for stuff. That's great.
Absolutely.
That's really
You can
nice.
carry your towels in
Beach
there.
Day Essentials, and I can't read what it says, but hit the sand and surf with this plush beach towel and return it to your room. So that's great. Our shade was down, our lights were on, the room was quiet.
It had the
It
mood.
had the mood, it had a nice quiet mood. So, and we're calling it a night tonight because we're tired. Because as you guys know, we did it back to back, and we didn't do a lot of filming today. We are going to do a full ship tour, so stay tuned for that. If you subscribe to our channel, you'll be able to follow all the posting and all the content we put on about the Celebrity Apex. We're really excited about it. It's only day 1, and we have a lot of cruising stuff to go over and lots of exciting days to come. So please subscribe and hit that notification button so you know when we put up a new video.
And don't forget to hit like.
Thank you and good night, and we'll see you tomorrow from Key West.